Make a great choice today with the 2026 Aviator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.